As jet engine temperatures rise to fuel efficiency, the need for shaped cooling holes on turbine blades increases too. Shaped holes direct cooled air out across the blade's surface in a fan shape, creating a film of cooled air that protects the blade from extreme temperatures. Creating shaped holes in turbine blades can be a challenge though, and has usually increased cycle times on parts significantly. TEK4's shaped hole technology combines accuracy and flexibility with process speed. New shaped holes can be programmed simply by either a CAD/CAM system or by using a built-in machine macro. Using a CAD system, the hole path can be mapped out to the desired shape and then transferred to the drilling program to move the electrode in the same pattern to create the shaped hole.